Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loyal Stuff. I hope all of you are doing extremely fine, and today we are back with yet another informative video, which is warrant. As we are very home to this word, we hear it in movies, serials, web series and so on. But what exactly this commonly used word means? Well, warrant in general term means an order issued by a court which usually comes into picture when there is a crime committed. There is no prescribed definition of warrant mentioned in CRPC, but it's said to be written and official authorization issued to a law enforcement officer to empower him to arrest the accused and procedure him before the court in order to regulate justice. So now we will see the situation under which the warrants are issued. So the definition of warrant cases in Criminal Procedure Code 1973, which defines under Section 2 Clause X, which says that warrant cases means a case relating to offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life and imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years. It means that warrants are issued in the cases when the offences are heinous in nature, whose punishment is imprisonment for life, capital punishment and imprisonment more than 2 years. The trials of the warrant cases are conducted by the court session and magistrate. These are the types of warrant. Types of warrants are defined under Chapter 6 of CRPC. There is no proper classification of warrants mentioned in the Act, but here are some major types of warrants which are usually into limelight, and they are arrest warrant, warrant for search, bailable warrant and non-bailable warrant. Number 1 is arrest warrant. Arrest warrant are defined under Section 70 to 81. Arrest warrant means an official authorization given by a magistrate or a judge to the police officer to arrest an accused for committing a crime. Number 2 is warrant for search and is defined under Section 93 to 98. Such warrant is usually issued to authorize the police officer to search in certain premises to collect the evidence. Number 3 is bailable warrant and is defined under Section 71 of CRPC. To make it simple, let us see the meaning of bailable offence. The word bailable is defined under Section 2 Clause A of CRPC, which says that offence which is shown as bailable in the first schedule or which is made bailable by any other law for the time being in force. Under Section 71, bailable warrant is issued where a person sought to be arrested can be released on execution of bond with sufficient sureties. Section 436 speaks about in what matter bail can be taken. Number 4 is non-bailable warrant and they are defined under Section 70 to 81. They are basically the offences which are non-bailable in nature and they are more serious in nature. Non-bailable offences are defined under Section 2 Clause A, which says that offences which are other than bailable offences are recognized as non-bailable offences. Section 437, it speaks about the situation under which a bail may be taken in the case of non-bailable offences. So when it comes to bailable offence, an accused can apply for bail as a matter of right, but in non-bailable offence, it is a matter of discretion as the crime committed is very serious in nature. Summing up all the points, the word warrant is not defined under the Act, but it is the official authorization given to a police officer by a judicial officer. Warrant cases are defined under Section 2 Clause X. The word bailable and non-bailable are defined under Section 2 Clause A. There is no standard classification of warrants, but there are majorly 4 types of warrants mentioned under Chapter 6 of CRPC under Section 70 to 98. That's it for today's video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.